Saskia and digitalisation. What's the connection here? Or rather, what do all these car parts have to do with digitalisation? Well, we're here in additive manufacturing, 3D printing. Here at BMW, 3D printing is a digital production method because all you need for it is the digital dataset. You don't need to make special tools anymore. So you can focus on aspects like load. This i8 Roadster component, for instance, is lighter and stiffer because of that. But you can also customize parts, like this trim panel for the MINI. These panels can have any name written on them and are really easy to fit and remove, or to make with different textures or writing on them. Great. Well, let's see how it's fitted or taken out. It looks really easy. That's right. All you have to do is slide the hook into the slit on the side. The panels are easy to put in and take out, and BMW's patented lock system makes it very easy to exchange. But how would you get my name onto there? How can you really personalize the part? We've specially developed a web customizer for that, which you can find at yours-customised.mini. You just put in the name or the icon you want, or change the texture of the product.